Hi there YouTube, this is Daniel back again with another YouTube video, and this time I'm gonna unbox the Image 25th anniversary blind box. To be honest, I'm a bit surprised that I got my hands on one, but I'm really happy. So apparently you can get at around 17 different titles and 6 different styles of variants for each title, including sketch variants for each title, and you are also able to get black and white variants and verdant variants, and blank wraparound variants. So it's going to be exciting to see what type of variants I get. I hear there are some lucky people out there that gotten some of those sketch variants, which is awesome to see. Hopefully I will get at least one or so. If I do, I'm gonna be really happy. If I don't, it's gonna be fun to have this box anyways. So each comic will come tamper-proof like this, with a black poly bag basically. So I'm gonna open each and every one of them to see what type of comic book I get. So the first variant I get is Curse Words with the Savage Dragon variant, I guess it is. And then I get Sun Bakery. Both of them are regular color variants. Yes! Oh, this is awesome. I really love this series. The few regular color variants. That's gonna be awesome. Oh, awesome! Rose. I hear many good things about this series. I have not read it, but I do look forward to see what the first issue will bring. I decided to go on a trade with this one instead of the single issues. Oh, awesome! Another title, Youngblood, color variant. So far so good. Another different title, Plastic. I think it's a mini-series about a serial killer that's fallen in love with a sex doll, I think, and I guess he gets blackmailed into murdering people for someone. Oh, awesome! This is a cool series, Extremity, regular color variant for that one as well. Okay, Packbliss #1, regular color variant. So far I've gotten 8 different titles, which is nice. Let's see if I will get some doubles or duplicates or triplicates. I don't know if that's the word, but... Okay, Regression, the regular color variant. Oh, this one is cool. The Old Guard by Greg Rucka and Leonardo Fernandez, I think his name is. This is a really cool wraparound cover. Really cool. Happy to have it. Oh, another one. A Rock Candy Mountain regular color variant, or regular, special color variant, I guess. Yes, another one. What is it? The Divided States of Hysteria by Howard Chaykin. I heard positive things about this. I might need to catch up on this if it's really good. What's this? Oh, cool. Girl Scouts Magic Socks. It looks pretty cool actually. Look at the back cover as well. The artwork looks really fun. I think I got my first, no. The Luna brothers, or Sarah Vaughan and Jonathan Luna. The Eternal Empire. Kinda looks cool. It's gonna be interesting to see what they do with this. Oh yeah, I read this first issue of Redneck and I really liked it, but I am trying to cut down on some of the single issues I pick up and decided to go a trade route with this instead. I think I got my first duplicate. Sun Bakery. So I have 2 ones of these, so I could always trade it with someone, I guess. Oh, awesome! I've always wanted to try this title. I think here it was a miniseries that ended now in June, but God Country #1, a really cool variant. Really cool artwork inside as well. Oh! I got one of these blank variants, so if I ever meet the artist or so involved, I could always ask them to sketch on it. For Youngblood, so that will probably never happen. That's cool. Awesome. Royal City. I really do like the series. It's a very different style of the series, but really interesting. But we'll see what the issue 5 brings if I'm gonna continue that. But really cool cover, really beautiful artwork by Jeff Lemire. Okay, another one of these blank wraparounds. Oh, for Packless. The different style of variant as well. Cool. And now I have a duplicate of curse words. That's fun. Now I only have a couple more bags to open. I hope to get a Negan one, but probably will end up with a dud. Oh, another blank variant. For what? Oh, for Eternal Empire. That's fun. So, 3 more books to open. This was in the bottom, so let's open that last. This one feels a bit thicker. Maybe it's a blank wraparound. That would be awesome to get one for the few. Yep, blank one, maybe. Oh, for Girl Scouts. I was hoping for an Egan one, but I have to settle for a box with nothing. Here we have another one of these wraparound. Oh, for Jeff Lemire's Royal City. Awesome. And the last one. It's a blank one. Yep. So no sketch variants for me, but it's one for Divided States of Hysteria. As you can see. That's it. That's the 25 variants I got. No sketch ones, no Negan, sadly, but really cool books and some books that I haven't tried yet. And I'm happy to have it, and it's going to be interesting to read a lot of these titles. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll stick around for another video in the future. Until next time, happy reading and bye bye.